Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to import the demo data. Click on Kentha, click on install the demo, and now your next step is to check this box. Okay, now we have many demos that we can import. Now I will be going to import the main demo. Click, and now finally we will start with the import. It will take some time, so let's wait. Okay, so now the demo has been imported. Let me see how the site looks. Okay, you can see the demo has been imported. You can see a new menu, a logo, some social media icons, other menu, albums, artists, gallery, podcasts, booking, and the footer area. Also you can see a music. So now in the next videos I will be showing you how to customize some of the menu pages, different pages like home, other, artist, events, podcast, blogs, and other pages, and many more things. So the demo has been imported. Let's see other pages that have been imported. Okay, update the database, continue. Okay, once the demo data has been imported, you can see the plugin, the pages have been imported. The post, you can see some of the new post. You can see one media, only one media because the theme doesn't have photos with them. You can also see there are many artists which have been imported, some events, album release, and many more. Thanks. In the next video I will be showing you how to customize the home page.